Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you step by step how you can show weekends inside your calendar view of your Jira project. So let us dive right into it. Head over to your project in your Jira site and navigate from any other view to the calendar view here, guys. So as you can see, that calendar is displayed in weeks from Monday to Friday. So there are no weekends. However, guys, if you prefer working on your projects also on weekends with your project members, guys, you may assign tasks to be completed also on weekends and to display them here in the calendar view. All you will need to do is head over to the view settings of your calendar view and simply enable show weekends here under week settings. And there you go. You can even set Sunday as your start of the week or switch to Monday, and then you will have that week here from Monday to Sunday. So it depends pretty much on your region or where you live, guys. Here in Europe, we start usually the calendar week with Monday, but if I recall correctly, they started on Sunday, for instance, in the United States from Sunday to Saturday. So it may depend, guys. Simply set your start of the week here and show weekends, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.